now.
And then Orion 725 and yesterday Chevrolet sounded a whole lot of good in my radio. Alright then 725, I got a chance to spoke up on you, man. I'm happy as all get out today. Hello 725 and yesterday Chevrolet. Your buzz it around Oregon still circling, come on.
Ten Ryan, I hope I didn't mash your finger on your thumb. Hey brother, 10 Ryan right on. I hope I didn't mash your finger on your thumb when I jumped down on that Camille thing when you jumped up. Brother, take care, homeboy. We'll put it down on you later on down the coax someday another way. Brother, 725 yesterday, Chevrolet gone.
725 yesterday Chevrolet. Your homeboy buzzed it around Oregon and I'm gone.